Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to edit ad banners in your smartphone. So to do that, firstly we need to download an application called Banner Maker 2019. If you can see here, this is how the logo of the app looks like. So let us open the app and do the process. So this is how the app interface looks like. Here you can see create banner, template, my design, my banner and more apps. Let us click on template. So after clicking on the template, you can see a lot of categories here like free design, LNS banners, FB mobile banner, FB ad banners, FB banners, roll up banners, YouTube banners, and like this you can see a lot. So I'll select one from this. So after selecting a template, you need to just edit the text and change the pictures. That's it. So let's do how it's gonna work. So this is how we can change the text, and we can also edit the font styles, and we can also change the sizes of the font. So here this place we can upload some logos. Or you can also write text like this. So this is how we can make ad banners and post it on our social media platforms to promote them, guys. If you like the video, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Thank you.